Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and good. In this video you will see transforming old clothes into beautiful ideas is a creative and sustainable. These are very pretty and very unique ideas. Please watch my full video till end. Transforming old clothes into beautiful new ideas is a creative and sustainable way to give in forgotten fabrics a second life. Instead of throwing away worn or unused garments, they can be reimagined into stylish, functional, and decorative pieces. Old jeans can become trendy tote bags, cushion covers, and table mats. Soft cotton shirts can be turned into elegant pillowcases, aprons, or reusable shopping bags. Even small fabric scraps can be used to create patchwork quilts, hair accessories, bookmarks, or handmade flowers. This creative process not only reduces waste but also adds a personal touch to your home and wardrobe. Each recycled piece carries a story, making it unique and meaningful. Upcycling clothes encourages mindful living, saves money, and supports an eco-friendly lifestyle. With a little imagination, basic tools, and simple sewing skills, old clothes can be transformed into beautiful handmade creations that reflect creativity, care, and sustainability. These are very beautiful and amazing DIY ideas. Upcycling old clothes into beautiful new ideas is a wonderful way to combine creativity with sustainability. Instead of letting unused garments sit in closets or end up in landfills, they can be transformed into charming, practical, and eye catching items. A faded kurti, worn out jeans, or an old dupatta can easily be designed into cushion covers, table runners, wall art, floor mats, handbags, or even stylish home decor pieces. Each project gives fabric a fresh purpose and a new identity. This process allows you to express your personal style while also caring for the environment. Reusing clothes helps reduce textile waste, conserves resources, and promotes an eco friendly lifestyle. Handmade creations also bring warmth and originality to your space. So, as no two recycled pieces are never exactly the same, with simple tools, basic sewing skills, and a bit of imagination, old clothes can be turned into beautiful ideas that are not only cost effective but also meaningful and inspiring. Turning old clothes into beautiful ideas is a creative journey that transforms the ordinary into something truly special. Every old garment holds potential, whether it is a soft cotton dress, a worn pair of jeans, or a colorful scarf. With thoughtful design and a little effort, these pieces can be reused to create elegant home decor, useful daily items, or unique fashion accessories. Old fabrics can be crafted into cushion covers, quilts, rugs, storage baskets, handbags, or creative decorative wall hangings that add character and charm to any space. This approach is not only about creativity but also conscious living. By reusing and repurposing clothes, we reduce waste and support a more sustainable lifestyle. Each handmade item becomes one of a kind, carrying memories and personal value that store bought items cannot replace. Upcycling old clothes encourages creativity, saves money, and brings satisfaction by turning something forgotten into something beautiful, practical, and full of life. So, thanks for watching. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.